Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these really cute nails using the Your Nail Lab February Luxe box. So before I get into the nail tutorial, I'm going to quickly unbox the box for you guys. Okay, so moving on to the nail tutorial, I'm going to start off by pushing back my cuticles. Now I'm going to remove the shine off of my nails using a 180 grit sanding band and my Melody Susie Scarlet Gel. I have my drill at about 3000 RPMs. Now I'm coming in with the cuticle nipper and I'm just cutting off any dead cuticle or hanging cuticle. I'm going to use the Not Polished Triple XL Square C Curve tips and the McCart nail glue. I did squish down the nails a bit, that way the C curve wasn't too deep. Now I'm taking my nail tip cutters and I'm just cutting down the tips to my desired length. Now I'm just lightly shaping up my nails with the Beetles 100-180 grit file. I'm taking my sanding band again and I'm just removing the shine off of the nail tip and also blending the nail tip into my natural nail. Now I'm going to clean off my nails with the Young Nail Swipe. Now I'm going to dehydrate my nails using the JC Beauty Concepts dehydrator. I'm just applying one coat of that. And then I'm going to prime my nails using the Not Polished Triple X Bond Primer. And also I'm just doing one coat of that. Now I'm applying the Beetles base coat onto the entire nail. And then I'm going to cure that in the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. So these are the 3 polygels that I will be using for today's video. So I'm going to start off using the green and the blue, and I'm going to create a marble on the ring finger. So I'm just randomly applying the colors onto the nail, And then I'm sort of like patting it and trying to swirl them around a bit. I try not to pat it too much, that way it wouldn't just create one color. And I did leave some like empty spots, that way it would be like clear, because I did want it to be like clear in some spots. But I'm just adding some more color wherever I feel like it's needed. This was my first ever marble nail using Polygel, and honestly, I don't think it turned out bad at all. I really liked how it turned out, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. You just want to make sure that you don't use a ton of product, because you will have to encapsulate it, and you don't want your nail to be super thick or anything like that. So yeah, I am using a Polygel brush that came in a Beetles Polygel kit, and I'm using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. Once I am satisfied with how my marble looks, I will cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so moving on to the pointer finger, I'm going to be creating a French tip on this nail. So I'm going in with the nude color, which is Siesta by McCart, and I am just creating my nail bed. So after I cured, I did come in with the second layer, and I'm just focusing on the apex. And again, once I'm happy with that, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So moving on to the middle finger, I'm going to do a full nail of this Polygel, and also I'm going to do this to the thumb. So a little tip for you guys is to just spread out the Polygel first onto the entire nail and then smooth it out. I used to just smooth it out as I went and like spread it out. I know I don't really make sense, but you guys can see what I'm doing. I learned this from watching Nails by Vic here on YouTube. She's like the Polygel queen, and I've learned a ton from her, and that's why I feel like my application for this video turned out a lot better than any of my other Polygel videos. I am doing 2 layers again on this nail, so I'm just starting off with like my base and then trying to get the thickness on the tip and all that, and then I go in with my second bead and I just focus that on the apex, and I do cure in between each layer, by the way, for like 60 seconds. Now I'm just taking a hand file and I'm just lightly filing the smile line just to make it nice and neat. And then I'm taking the green polygel and I'm going to fill in the tip with this. So for the pinky, I'm going to create an ombre. I'm using the blue for the tip. I'm going to try to blend that in as best as I can upwards. That way there's not like a super harsh line or anything. And then I'll just pat it out and smooth the rest down the tip. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm coming in with the nude and I'm just going to apply a small bead towards the cuticle area, and I am just patting it and trying to smooth it out, and then I will blend very lightly the nude down to the blue. Now I'm taking the Beetles clear polygel and I'm going to encapsulate the ring finger and the pinky. Okay, so this is how my nails look like after application. I think they turned out a lot better than any of my other polygel nails have. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself. So right now I'm just removing the stick layer off of the nails with some alcohol. Now I am going to file my nails. I'm using the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit in a fine grit. And I'm just going around the cuticle area and also filing the surface of the nail a bit and also underneath. Now I'm using my Beetles 100-180 grit nail file, and I'm just filing the surface of the nail and also filing the sidewalls and the tip. taking a little buffer and I'm just buffing out my nails. This is gonna remove any little scratches or anything that is still on the nails. Okay, so now I'm going to apply one of these little rose charms onto my middle finger, and I'm going to use the McCart nail glue to glue that on. I'm also going to be applying some rhinestones around that charm, so I'm just kind of creating like an S shape, and I'm going to use the Swarovski crystals in Crystal Shimmer in 3 different sizes. I'm also going to apply some of those rhinestones onto the pinky, index, and thumb. And then I'll cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to top coat my nails using the Beetles top coat. I'm just applying that onto all of the nails and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And yeah, that will be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really loved how my nails turned out and I'm super proud of myself with my application and everything. Yeah, and I really loved everything that came in the Luxe box. I thought everything was super cute and I really love the polygels. I feel like they're the easiest polygels to work with that I've tried so far. Let me know if you guys would like to see more polygel videos, or also just let me know any videos you guys would like to see from me. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys liked the nail design. And hopefully this video was somewhat helpful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.